Many of us take pride in our gardens, viewing them as a source of beauty and tranquility. However, lurking within those same gardens could be plants that, while beautiful, hold deadly secrets. Today, we uncover the darker side of some common garden plants that might be more dangerous than you think. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. The bewitching but deadly belladonna. Also known as deadly nightshade, belladonna is a plant with a long history of use in medicine, cosmetics, and even poison. Its berries and foliage are highly toxic, containing tropane alkaloids that can cause delirium, hallucinations, and, if ingested in sufficient quantities, death. What's more alarming is its unassuming appearance, with attractive berries that might tempt the unsuspecting. Oleander, the beautiful killer. Oleander is a popular landscaping plant thanks to its lovely flowers and evergreen qualities. Yet, every part of this plant is poisonous. Ingesting even a small amount of its leaves can be fatal. Oleander's toxins can cause severe vomiting and heart problems and can lead to death, making it a silent but deadly occupant of many gardens. Foxglove, a heartstopper. Foxglove is well known for its towering spikes of bell-shaped flowers, a favorite among gardeners for adding height and color. However, it's also the source of digitalis, a potent compound used in heart medications. While therapeutic in controlled doses, accidental ingestion of foxglove can cause heart rate fluctuations, leading to potentially fatal consequences. Precautions and safe gardening practices. Identifying and understanding the plants in your garden is crucial for safety, especially in households with children and pets. Consider labeling plants with their names and potential hazards, and educate your family about the risks. Opting for less dangerous plant alternatives can also help create a safer garden environment. Navigating the fine line between beauty and danger. The presence of these plants in your garden serves as a reminder of the fine line between natural beauty and potential danger. With knowledge and precaution, it's possible to enjoy the aesthetic and emotional benefits of gardening while ensuring safety for everyone who enters your garden oasis. Discovering the hidden dangers in your garden is not just about fostering fear, it's about promoting awareness and safe gardening practices. By being informed, we can appreciate the beauty of our gardens without compromising on safety.